you running, XP or Vista?
This algorithm, it's him, I know it!
What do you want, Cypher?
I dream of a world without windows.
It's locked!
Can't fix what ain't broken.
I forgot my card.
We must awaken. The AIX.
Everybody run! Run! Get out of here! Guys, run!
Cycling as fast as I can!
Yeah!
So my name is Danny Moore, and I really liked the project because the team was awesome. I got to work on new items, new materials, new languages. It was a bunch of new stuff for me, and just the whole idea of being able to learn and being able to grow as a developer has been really helpful for me.
I liked having the experience of working with third-party code.
Brett McKesh. And my favorite part about the project had to be coming in with somebody else's code waiting for us. It was one of the most interesting experiences I've had because it's both frustrating and you get to learn somebody else's coding style at the same time.
I worked on the general admin tool, and what that does is it displays a bunch of information that is normally done through a command prompt, but it's done through a GUI tool now. Specifically, I worked on the volume groups for that.
We had a lot of server problems, which isn't what I was expecting. I was expecting to do a lot with the languages, learning Ruby and PHP, but I actually spent a lot of time working on the AIX server, which was actually pretty cool and a really good experience.
My favorite part of the project was figuring out how to get somebody from the web logging into the AIX machine. So once we got that figured out, it added security to both the PHP site and the Ruby site.
I'm Mark LaBianca. I was on the project as a team lead. I had to take care of these guys. Basically what I did on the project was made it compatible for IE. The file browser had a little issues. Firefox was great, but IE needed some tweaking. And then I made it so that when you log into the Gen Admin tool, it will log you in automatically to the file browser tool. But if you don't log in the Gen Admin tool, then the file browser is off limits.
The main thing I worked on was getting everything compatible with IE. IE hates JavaScript, it doesn't render it properly, but in the end we got everything working correctly and it looks great.
What I learned about this project was a lot about PHP. I had never touched PHP before. It was a little interesting. Working with AIX machine, it was a lot like Linux, so that wasn't too hard. It was good to be exposed to that and learn that, you know, it's not this scary, unknown entity. It's just, you know, a Unix platform with some special differences. So that was cool.